Welcome to Mr. English Coach, where learning English is easy and fun.
John, you look worried. What happened?
Anna, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key. Oh no.
Yes, I closed the door and the key is inside.
Oh, you locked yourself out.
Yes, I locked myself out, and it gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
Oh no. No key and no phone?
Exactly. I can't open the door and I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight, very late.
So you can't go in until tonight.
Yes, what should I do?
Well, you have one free day now.
A free day. I feel nervous. No phone, no key.
Don't worry. Maybe this is a good thing.
A good thing, really?
Yes, you can try one day without a phone.
One day without a phone? That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out and see things.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library. Okay, but how do we go?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I need my phone for Uber.
Not today. Today, we use the bus.
Okay, no phone, no key, just the bus.
Here we are. This is the bus stop for the library.
The bus stop for the library.
Yes, we wait here.
Okay, we wait.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Good. I was getting nervous.
Why nervous?
Without my phone, I don't know the time.
Yes, no phone means no clock.
I usually check everything on my phone.
Today, you learn another way.
Another way?
Yes, look at the bus stop sign.
Oh, okay.
Now let's get on the bus. Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Take the ticket.
Got it.
Let's sit near the window.
I like the window seat.
Great. Sit down.
Wow, this feels strange.
Why strange?
Everyone is on their phone, but I have no phone.
Yes, many people just look at screens.
I feel nervous. What should I do?
Look outside.
Look outside?
Yes, look at the trees and buildings.
Oh, nice view.
Better than a small screen, right?
Yes, much better.
Here we are. This is the library.
Wow, it's big and very quiet.
Yes, people come here to read and study.
To focus.
Exactly, to pay attention.
I will try to focus too.
Good. Look at all these books.
So many books. Where do I start?
Let's find a book about cooking.
Cooking in the library?
Yes, there are books about everything.
Everything?
Cooking, travel, history, everything.
Wow, not only stories.
Let's sit by the window.
The sunlight feels warm.
Yes, very comfortable.
I like this place.
Your eyes look tired. Let's rest.
Rest? You mean stop reading?
Yes. Let's go to the beach.
The beach? That sounds nice.
Here we are.
Wow, the sea is so big.
It's wide and open.
The waves never stop.
The sea is alive.
I usually see this on my phone.
Now you see it with your eyes. The sun is going down. Want to do something else?
Like what?
Let's go to the cinema.
A big screen movie?
Yes, a big screen, not a phone.
That sounds exciting.
Here we are. This is the cinema lobby.
So many movie posters.
We already have tickets.
Great.
The movie is starting.
The sound is loud and strong.
You feel inside the story. The sun is going down. Want to do something else?
Like what?
Let's go to the cinema.
A big screen movie?
Yes, a big screen, not a phone.
That sounds exciting.
Here we are. This is the cinema lobby.
So many movie posters.
We already have tickets.
Great.
The movie is starting.
The sound is loud and strong.
You feel inside the story. The movie is finished. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
What did you learn today?
Life can be full without a phone.
That's a great lesson.
Less phone, more learning.
Exactly. Thank you for watching Mr. English Coach.